Hi guys, it's Jesus from Low Code Agency, and this is a template that works like Tinder, so it matches users. And the cool thing about this template is that you can sell subscriptions not inside of the app, but in your website. So you will be forcing your users, they can browse, but they cannot engage other users unless they have bought a subscription in your website. So let's jump right in. So the first time a user logs into your app, they have to create their profile, obviously. So they have to fill out their name, their bio, their height, and then either male or female, age range, and they can add up to 5 photos. So as soon as you upload a photo, then the next image picker shows, creates a better user experience. And then you share your ethnicity, your city, and your profession. Then you click Done. When you do that, you see your own profile here. You see your own profile here, and you have a button here that says Purchase a Pro subscription. Right? You will be able to edit the text in this button, and when you click this button, it goes to your website. So you will edit this link in your app, in your data editor in Glide. So the user will open your link, and then they can buy your subscription in your website. So the cool thing about this is that they can browse users. So first thing here, you can either filter by city, or if you leave blank, you will see everybody from anywhere, right? If I filter by city, then it'll only show me users that are in this location. So again, we have the button here, the same one we had in her profile. And then when I look at her, at this user, I can see their profile information, but I cannot engage. I cannot start a chat with them. I have to purchase a Pro subscription. So how does that work? As soon as they go into your website and they buy the subscription, then you get an email or something, and then you will have an admin view inside of this app where you will have your users. So in this case, the admin email is this one. So what the admin sees is all users, and he can mark the checkbox, and that way that user becomes a paid subscriber. So if I make myself a paying user, and then I go back as a normal user, then on my profile, that button disappeared. Then we had a visibility setting for the chat tab. So now it appears here. And then back in my Discover tab, I also hit the button for customers to buy their subscription. And when I click the user profile, then I can start a chat or block the user if I don't want to speak with them again. So in this case, I choose this user. They can upload, of course, their pictures. We have a carousel of their pictures. And then in this case, I already sent her a text through the chat, through the app, right? So I can continue my conversation with her in this case. Or if I go and see somebody else, like Olga, I like her profile, so I can start a chat and say, hey, Olga, you're pretty. And then I click submit. So this chat goes over here in my chat tab. So I have the participants here in this chat, and I can start a video call with them or start a chat conversation here inside of the app. And I can always go here to the edit and delete this item, delete this chat. If I go back to my Discover tab to Olga's, I can see that I already have started a chat with this user. So this is a great way for you to make money with this type of app. Since you have, even though you don't have subscriptions inside of your app, you manage those outside of your website. And then you have an easy way to make users grow and make them or let them engage with other users. So I hope you like this template. If you have questions, you can find us at lowcode.agency. Thanks for watching.